So we know the jobs report was BS. Not true. It's probably going to get revised down a ton. But the CPI, inflation, that was BS too. And you really need to look at the data to understand this. So first, we can go to the markets. With such good economic data, we would expect a huge jump in the market. But the market's been down the past 2 weeks. Dow Jones, it's down. NASDAQ, with all the tech sell-off, it's really down. And S&P 500, it's down too. So we're not seeing the market confirm that the CPI is real. Next, we can move to treasuries. Now, treasuries with this kind of expectations, we would expect to see maybe like a 3.8, 3.9, but we're still at 4%. So the dumb money might have moved out of the treasuries, but the big money stayed in there. Next, we can look at gold. Gold is kind of a hedge against inflation. So we'd expect a massive drop in gold if inflation was really down that much. But not really. I would expect to see like a 4,700, 4,800 maybe, but we're still at like 4.9. And I imagine it's probably going to jump back up to 5 here pretty soon. So the big money is staying in gold against inflation. So if the big money doesn't believe the CPI, the only people who are believing it is the dumb small money. So be smart, follow the big money. Because we know that soon, inflation, prices, they're all going to go up. And how do we know this? Because companies say, during the holiday, sales were flat. That's worrying because it's December. We expect a spike. But now companies are saying, we're going to have to raise prices because of these tariffs. And it's a lot of companies. And that means inflation is about to go up. So don't believe the government's data here because nothing's backing it up.